I think it was the Greeks that said that here is the end of the world. Because it was the end of the map, it was the end of Europe.
Our last stop in the Algarve was the village of Sagres. 7 kilometers away from the village is the Cape of St. Vincent, the southwesternmost point of continental Europe. In pre-Columbus time, this was the edge of the known world.
Yeah, but look at the rocks there in the water, how beautiful they are. With the sunset light, no? It's beautiful. We go to the lighthouse?
The high cliffs can be treacherous, but many people still take the risk for the perfect sunset photo.
Waiting for the sunset, no? What are these people doing there on the edge? Picnic? Are you crazy?
The lighthouse in Sagres is part of Rota Vicentina, a network of walks in south of Portugal. This food stall at the end of the world had its own little lighthouse.
Ready to eat?
Even if the food was not typically Portuguese, we still enjoyed the surfer's atmosphere and tasty dishes in Three Little Birds in Sagres. The next day we explored Cape St. Vincent from the ocean on a dolphin watching tour.
Dolphin face. Show me your dolphin face. This is your dolphin face? Are you excited? This is how dolphins swim? No. It's fast, no?
It wasn't long before a pod of dolphins joined the boat, coming closer and closer to the delight of everyone on board.
see the tunnel, the light is coming. So it's the tunnel to the other side of the tree.
In the next episode, we will share with you our great experience at a family resort in Sagres. See you there!